Hi renovators, so again welcome to my page. So for this episode I will just discuss the guidelines on choosing a contractor. So let's go. So for choosing a contractor, much better if you will check their business permit, and also of course if meron silang OR or official receipt. So of course kumbaga is ano natin to is due diligence ng mga clients, or check kung legal ba yung contractor business or not. Another guideline is better check if the contractor has a pickup. So what is pickup? So pickup is it is a government agency attached to the Department of Trade and Industry and is one of the implementing boards in the Construction Industry Authority of the Philippines, or CIAP. So, sila yung parang pinaka legal body or organization ng government na nagbibigay ng mga licensing sa mga contractors dito sa Pinas. So, mostly kumbaga kung may pick-up yung isang contractor, pinangangalagaan niya ang license niya kasi nga nakaregister siya under sa government agency ng pick-up. So, kumbaga is ito naman kasi pinakamahalaga sa pagko-contractor is kumbaga is magkaroon ng liability ang bawat contractor sa services na pinoprovide nila. Better is to check their company if they have at least an architect or engineer in their team. So, bakit ko naman masasabi na i-check, i-due diligence nyo na i-check yung company kung may architect or engineer? Of course, licensed architect and licensed engineers, meron din pinangangalagaan naman ng mga licenses yan. At the same time, pinaka-liability as professionalism. Kumbaga, of course, we are under, as engineers, we are under kami ng Professional Regulations Commissions. So, sila ang pinaka-government body na nagmo-monitor sa mga professionals. At the same time, kumbaga nagbibigay ng disciplinary action sa mga professionals. So, kung merong licensed architect or licensed engineer, kumbaga is yung andun na yung part ng responsibility and liability sa bawat services na gagawin namin. So, we always make sure na professionalism is always practiced, especially in services. So, yun ang mapapayo ko on choosing your contractors. Ngayon, another guideline to choosing a contractor is for a contract of renovations, kumbaga kung may renovations kayo ng 100,000 below, at least meron siyang bibigay na proposal. The costing of proposal, it can serve as a contract na already for lower projects na or lower cost ng renovations. Pero pag mga aabot na ng 1 million above, ganun, is much better if magkaroon na ng contract between client and the contractors. Kasi medyo malaki na yung amount eh. So, at least at the same time, magkaroon ng agreements like between the contractor and the client is magkaroon ng carry or insurance, bonds. So, ayun, kumbaga is medyo yung security ng client at the same time security ng contractor is nandun nakapaloob sa contract. Ito ang pinakamahalaga on guidelines on choosing contractors. I-open nyo yung pinaka Excel file nyo. Excel file. So, sa Excel file na to, ito papakita ko sa inyo is meron kayong 3 contractors. Much better na sa isang project or renovations or construction is magkaroon kayo ng at least 3 contractors. At the same time is gumawa kayo, kaya pinabubuksan yung Excel file nyo is katulad nito is ipapakita ko sa inyo na ito yung 3 contractor, tapos ito yung mga 3 cost nila. So at the same time, ito yung mga warranty or uh, other terms. Kumbaga, ito pinakamagandang practice para magpa-renovate or house construction is magkaroon kayo ng at least 3 contractors. Ito yung tinatawag na canvas of bids or abstract of bids. So, ito, pinapakita ko yung Excel file. So, may 3 contractors. Then, kung ano yung pinakamababang cost, yun ang kunin nyo. Pero, depende rin sa inyo kasi sometimes, mababa nga yung cost pero yung quality or yung warranty, mababa naman. So, much better to choose wisely. At least 3 contractors. Get at least 3 contractors. Yun ang pinaka masasabi kong isa sa pinaka mahalagang guidelines na ibibigay ko when choosing a contractors. So, ayun, hopefully nakatulong ito sa mga tips sa inyo sa pag-start ng renovation or house construction. So, bye!